Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day today, and we are ready to welcome all the beautiful and divine experiences with this new day in our lives. Breathing very gently as we are ready to begin this day. Just being there present in our body, integrating all four bodies within us, and lovingly looking forward for a beautiful day ahead. As we are preparing, I want you to come with me on this beautiful journey to a healing temple. Just sit back, relax, and close your eyes. And we are ready. To enter this temple. We are all seated, relaxed, with very gentle breath, and completely free of any kind of stress and worries. We're just relaxed, very relaxed. Now we are going to this beautiful temple, and I'm holding your hand to take you into this temple. Now that we are moving ahead, we've reached the temple and we've entered in. We've reached the center of the temple where you can see a dome above you. And there's a beautiful crystal in front of you, a large rock which is emitting high vibrational frequency. You can also look around. There are different shapes and sizes of crystals placed, and there are two light beings present in that temple to assist you and bless you with all the light. Find a comfortable place and sit there. Preferably sit in the center. And now receive all the energy that is showered upon you. This large crystal is sending you a beautiful white light, filling you completely. To bring peace to your heart. There's a green crystal behind you which is sending a healing energy to you. And there are many other small and big, different size and shapes of crystals are sending their energy as per you need the energy in this day. As you're receiving this energy, this light being is observing the process and they are placing their palm upon your head and they are transmitting the energy. Receive it with open arms. Just allow it to come in your energy field. Feel the gratitude in your heart for such beautiful energy to enter into your space. Now you can see everything in just one color. Now this beautiful one color that you see in everything around you is the color that you need to integrate for today. Take that color and embrace it into your heart. Now feel the gratitude for each beings over there. All the energy there. Feel the gratitude. Allow that energy to work upon your energy. Now you can slowly get up from that place and just take a round in that temple. And bow down to these energies and prepare to leave this temple. I'm ready to take you back into your space, and very gently we leave that temple and we're returning into your space. Very gently. We are coming back into your body, your space, currently where you are. Just keep breathing very gently. All the energy that we've received is lots of healing energy, energy of peace. Any part of us which requires healing will take place, and whatever that we need to understand consciously will surface. So take a note of it and work consciously to release any unwanted energies. Ask for forgiveness. And feel light. Now take a deep breath Breathe gently now. Slowly and slowly we prepare to come back. Try and move your fingers and your toes. Stretch, and when you are ready, you can open your eyes. Know that it is a beautiful day today and you are ready to create beautiful experiences in your life. You're filled with energy, you're filled with strength, you're filled with courage. You know that this is going to be the best day of your life. Be in your breath, be in your heart, and love yourself each moment. With this, I pray for a beautiful day and hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.